Hey everybody, this is Bill with Family Handyman. If you have a home like mine, you've got some drafty windows. Today I'm going to show you how to put on this window insulating film. Let's get started. So you just need some basic tools for this installation. Of course, a tape measure because you're going to measure your window. We're going to dust it off with this microfiber cloth and then we'll clean it up further with this alcohol. And in the kit comes the film and the double stick tape. You'll need scissors to trim the film, and then finally the hair dryer to shrink the film once it's installed. Before you start your installation, you want to study your window and figure out just where your film's going to go. Some people will apply it to just a sash, which is a perfect fix if you have single pane windows, but oftentimes the draft is coming in between the sash and the jamb. The jamb or stop is a perfect place to put it, but in my case here, I don't have enough width to do that on the top and the bottom, so I'm going to have to apply mine to the casing, which works out just as well. First, I'm going to dust and wipe down everything with a dry rag. Then I'll grab some isopropyl alcohol and a clean rag and wipe down the casing where the double stick tape goes. So this particular window film product has an adhesive strip already applied to the film that goes at the top of the window. All you need to do then is measure the width of the window, add an inch extra, and then make your cut out of the film. Now I have to apply this double stick tape to the two sides of the window and the bottom. Working from one side of the window to the other, carefully peel off the backer on the adhesive tape. Pull down on the window film as you apply it to the tape. Once the film is applied all the way around the window, grab the hair dryer and go all the way around the tape carefully to make sure that it's completely adhered. Then shrink the rest of the wrap using the hair dryer. After I was done shrinking the film into place, I went around the perimeter and trimmed off the excess. So that's it. It's a pretty straightforward installation that took me about 15 minutes. It's a perfect solution for an old drafty window. New windows are really expensive, so this is something worthy to consider. So for more energy-saving advice and projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.